Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to create footnotes on your in your document on the Google Docs application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone, then select the document that you would like to add footnotes. Tap on it, then click on this pencil icon in the right side corner of the screen down below, then tap on the plus icon at the top of the screen, scroll down till you find this footnote option and click on it. As you can see, you can add a footnote of your choice, and if you scroll back or scroll up, you will see that the footnote is added to this part where you have clicked before adding your footnote. So if I scroll down and I want to add a footnote to this section, which is highlighted, then I am going to click on this, click to this part, then press the plus icon, tap on footnote, and then I will be able to add another footnote indicated by this number 2. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, consider subscribing and see you in the next video. Bye bye.